It was a long weekend where the annual parades and events right outside my window. Wow, enjoying it. Enjoy watching the parade, Nates. Give me your Instagram, huh? My Instagrams, just check my bio here in YouTube. Just check my Instagram ID is there. Food trucks, band, dancing, all kind of things. And it's over now. Ah, okay. I hope you enjoying it. Oh my God, guys. Doing 2 hours exercise. My God, I feel like I'm okay, but I don't want to sleep later because if I sleep, then I won't wake up. Like I will wake up late. Are you still your friend's house? Yeah, Nets. But I'm going back home soon. I'm going back home soon. On Monday. On Monday. Today. By Monday, I will be in my Monday or Saturday or Sunday night. I will be in my boarding house already in the mainland. I will go back home there now. And yeah, going to the island. So everything will be okay. Everything is fine like that. It is my yeah, I'm going back to the hometown. I will try by next week. I will try to enroll myself in the gym. Okay, so I can go in the gym. Mm-mm. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Thank you also to Bruce Wayne for helping me to do the exercise. Okay. Thank you also to Bruce Wayne, ha. Mm-mm. You helped me a lot. Amigo, hi amigo. So po, ma'am host. Yes, amigo, kumusta ka? Is it? Yes, all gentlemen, do the support and like the subscriber. Her the channel, she is fastest and now family. She need to support and very honest in their words. God bless and thank you. I can send you $1,000. Yeah, you send it. I have my PayPal link or else here in my YouTube. Thank you so much, Manu. Did Bros Wayne show his workout routine? Yeah. Yeah, Bros also did. Hello to Ivan Romero. Good morning. Hola, Turkey. Go to channel na lang po. Thank you. Okay, amigo, ganda nyo. You can online sell something. What I can sell? Many boyfriends, blah, blah, blah. I don't have even one. Not mine, I run. Did you run? Did you run? Cash App? I don't have Cash App. PayPal only and not mine. I'm habitually 2 mile run. Wow. It's so easy. I smoke cigarette while jogging. It's so, oh my God, cigarette? Oh my God. She's not keep up with me.